Assalamu alaikum guys, this is me Muhammad Qamar. Welcome back to my channel. Finally guys, today is the day 45 of our 3 years machine learning challenge, where we have challenged ourselves to learn the complete machine learning from very beginning to very advanced, and so far we have learned the complete Python programming language, and now we are practicing the Python programming language for 2 months, and which we have already started, and so far we have completed the first week, and now we are in the second week of this challenge. And today's challenge for us is to solve uh, a new problem, which is to merge two sorted lists. Okay, so guys, first of all, let me tell you that if you guys are new on this channel, make sure to subscribe my channel and like the video. And now let's start the video. First of all, we have to understand this problem. What we have to do is this, in this problem, so for this we will come here to the ChatGPT and we will understand what is the problem here. Okay, so just explain me, then say that do not give me, okay, give me the code, and nor give me, nor the hints. Okay, all right, so basically today I have so many issues in making videos, so if the video get a little bit laggy or any issue have, so make please do a little, I don't know what the word should I say, but okay. So when you have two sorted lists, the goal of merging uh, is to combine them into single sorted list. Okay, so we will have two sorted lists first of all, then we will combine it into a single sorted list. So the key idea is both lists are already sorted individually. That means that their smallest element are at the first and their largest are at the end. So to merge, you conceptually look at the first element of each list, compare them, and whichever list is smaller goes first in the merge list. Then you move forward in the list because you have already taken the smallest. Okay, so give me some example. Okay, give me some examples so that we can understand it a little more good. Okay, we have list A and list B, so compare from A and 2 from B. So smaller is 1, so merged 1 and then 2. So what we have in the result is that we have final result like this. All right, okay, so here I will come to the second week of this challenge, this folder, right? And then I will make a file here that the 12th, then combine two sorted lists.py. Okay, all right, then write the subject of this problem or program here. Okay, which is to combine two sorted lists in a new sorted list. Okay, all right, then I will write the, okay, then I will say here in Python, then I will write the name of the author, which is me. Here I will write the Muhammad, and then the date here I will put it here, which is 28 September 2025. All right, make it a comment. Then first of all I will write the pseudocode here, right? A pseudocode, right? All right, and then I will write the multi-line comment here. The first step is I will take a list. Okay, a list as an input. Okay, not take a list but take two lists. Okay, then what I will do that in the next step is that sort the two lists. Okay, then in the third step combine the two lists and sort them also. Okay, and then in the fourth step print the result. All right, so now, okay, so one thing more here we can do, but for now we will just ignore it. We will do it in the next video if we create them. Okay, so I will write it here, like the Python code will go here, and then I will, let's say, call it list1 equals to input, not int but input. All right, we will say that enter the first list. Okay, then like this we will call it the second. Okay, and then here I will apply the split here also, and then now let's list1 is equals to sort, or what we can do is that list1 dot sort. Okay, I'll write it like this. Okay, and then here I will apply on the second also. All right, and then print list1 and list2. Okay, so I'm just printing it so that I can get the result, that what I am getting the result right now. Let's say 12, 1, 3, 13, 10. Enter it. Then we have 2, 5, 7, 8, 4, 12. Okay, enter it. It is printing none. Okay, why it is printing none? So what the sort will do is that none equals to none, boolean equals to false, results equals to false. Okay, and here also. List1, list2. Why it is printing the none, man? Okay, what I can do here is that just print it. Okay, now let's clear the terminal and again run the above. It is still printing the none. Okay, dot split will make it a list, right? And I want to sort it. List1, and here I will write the sorted again. Okay, now I am getting the result that 1 2 1 2. Okay, like this. Okay, so now it is working. Since it is working, so now I will do is that list2 equals to this. Similarly, list list 3, not list 3 but list 1 equals to this. All right, clear the terminal again. Now let's print the list 1 and the list 2 also. Again run the program. All right, now we are getting it in the correct way, right? Now what we will do is that we will make a new as third list number 3, inside which we will store the list 1 and plus I guess list 2, and then I will sort list 3 also. So sorted, we will do it as like sorted, right? Now let's run it again. Okay, sorry, we are not actually printing it, so print the list 3. Six, 3, 2, 1, 4 and 5, 3, 4, 2, 6, 7, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6 and 7. Okay, it is working perfectly, I guess. What I can do here is that I will just remove these 2 lines from here, and I guess it will still work, I hope. Let's say 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 7, 4, 3, 5, 6, 1. Okay, it is still working, so I hope so it is working. So now let's give our code to the ChatGPT and let's see what is there. We have to do some changes. Good work. Your code does achieve the goal, but let's carefully review it. Two lists, take 2 lists as input space separated values. Okay, example 147 becomes 147. Notice they are string, not numbers. Yes, they are string. So combine with plus will do it like this. Use sorted, but since inputs are string, it sorts alphabetically, not numerically. Example 10 comes before 2 because 1 is smaller than 2. So in this comparison, okay, so we have to convert it into a list. Okay, so we have done this I guess in the previous video. What we can do is here is that I will convert it into an integer. Okay, here, and here also I will apply a max uh, method. Okay, it is a method or function, I guess. So it will do it like this, and then I will also convert this into a list. I will use the list constructor, so it will be converted into a list. All right, now let's run it again. 3, 2, 10, 4, 2. Okay, so not supported between instance of list and type. So what it is doing, list max int input. Okay, what is the wrong here? Which line we have issue? Okay, we have a very long issue going here. Okay, No, but it is working. It is correct, I guess. Yes, we have done it here. I have already done it here, right? And now I am trying to do it here, but it is not working. Okay, everything is looking fine, but still, okay, is there any issue? No, there is no issue, bro. Not supported between instances of list and type. Let's kill this terminal and run it again. Two, three, one, four. Now let's run it again. 2, 3, 1. Okay, it is again and again giving me the same error. Now let's ask the ChatGPT what is happening here. I see what you're trying to do here. You want to convert input values into integer sorted, but there is a small mistake in your code. Okay, why? What is makes input load doesn't make sense in Python? Makes. Oh, sorry, I am using the max. Sorry, I am really sorry. I have to use the map, not the max. Yeah, now it will work. No, I don't want anything here. 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 4. Okay. And now it is working perfectly. All right. Actually, I had to use the map instead of max. Okay. Now your code is correctly. Now your code correctly takes two input and convert it into integer. Combine both list sort. Combine list print the result. Okay. Exactly what your pseudocode says. So would you like me also show you how without sorting at the end? Yes, I will also want the code from the ChatGPT so that how ChatGPT will do it. Okay, let's start with the merge process without calling sorted. Okay, at the end this way you take the advantage of fact both lists are already sorted. So list start with pointers one for each. Let's say I for list 1, j for list 2. Compare element at list 1 and list 2, then smaller goes into the okay. Move the sorter. List is completed. Okay, I equals to j equals to 0, so list equals to this. Okay, while I is less than the length of list 1 and j is less than the length of list 2, if list 1 if I of list 1 is less than j of list 2, then append it and I plus equals to 1, else then append the j and j plus equals to 1 after remaining elements. Okay, add remaining elements, extend list dot extend list 1 I up to so on j equals to so on. This method is faster because it doesn't sort again. It works it just works through both lists once. The time complexity. Okay, do you want to compare the efficiency? Yes, of course, I want to see why it is efficient. Let's compare both step by step. It will first join both and then it will sort it. Okay, but it is I guess taking more space, more line of code. Yes, it will be very fast. Yeah, I have very low amount of numbers elements, but what if my program get numbers input in millions or in thousands. Let's suppose, just not go to the millions, so that's why it should then still work. That's why I have to do it like this, like I equals to j. I will make two variables or instances, I guess, right? Then I will give it a value as 0, I is equals to 0 and j is equals to 0. Then I will say that while I is less than the length of list 1 and j is less than the length of list 2, I will apply the length here. Okay, then what to do is that if list 1 I is less than the list the from the j of list 2, right? Then do what? List 3, right? Okay, so I have to create another variable here. Let's suppose we add it here, not here but here. List 3 equals to empty list. Okay, so here I will do is that list 3 dot append, not like this but like this, I, right? And then I is plus equals to 1, so that it will increase its index. Else do the same thing but for the j, not for the I. Okay, I will do it like this for now. Why it is giving me this error? Else so this 2, I guess it is correct, but still it is not. List 2 I is not I but j is less than the list 2 sorry, list 1's I, right? Then okay, why it is giving me the error? Okay, let's go and check it here. Why the annotation support not supported for this statement? Else, oh sorry, we do not have to edit it like this. Okay, we will just write this because there is no condition goes here. So yes, it is now correct. Now let's, I guess, run it again. Now let's clear the terminal and do it again. 3 2 1 4 2 3 1 0 0 1 0. Okay, so I guess I have to do it here also. Okay, like list 3 dot append it here like this. Here we have seen it here like this, right? We have to dot extend it, not append it. Extend the list 1 like I and up to so on, right? And similarly for the j. Clear it. 2 3 1 4 and then we will just 4 6 5. Enter it. We have 0 1 2 3 4. So it is not giving me the correct result, I guess. Let me see it here. J, if I is less than this, Now let's give it to the term to the ChatGPT, and we will again get what we are doing wrong. Small mistake. Dot append I. Do not append I and append J. What we have to do is that, okay, list of I, not the J. Okay, list one, list two. All right, now it will not give us zero. Okay, 1 4 6 5, and okay, it is now correct. No, it is not correct. Then why it is not correct? Okay, when the value, not the index. So again, what I have the issue here? Okay, it is saying that your code is correct, but it is not. Actually, it is not, because it is not sorting it, bro. One, three, two, four. Here you can see that it is 1 3 to 4, but the answer is not sorted. All right, so I guess it is not the result for sortation, but it is just, but it should do it like the way it is asking that if list of one. Here you can see that, like, let me zoom it a little more so that we can understand it more perfectly. Let's kill this terminal also, hide this also, and here you can see that I have the list here, list 1 and list 2. Then I equals j, then list 3 is empty, while I is less than list or length of list 1, and j is less than length of list 2, right? Which is correct. If I of list 1 is less than j of list 2, append it like this, then do this, right? Then dot append the I. I'll do this correctly, but it is not working. So guys, you can do your comment what is wrong here, and I guess that was for today's video. Hope so you like the video. Make sure to subscribe this channel, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.